In this tutorial, I will show you Reshape tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have drawn few shapes there, and you can locate Reshape tool from this submenu. This is Scale tool, Shear tool, and Reshape tool. So after selecting or accessing Reshape tool, you cannot able to do anything with the shapes. You need to select direct selection from the toolbar. This is direct selection tool. I am accessing it. Then I am accessing Reshape tool. I am first selecting direct selection tool, then clicking here. It will select the anchor points and the path. So then I am accessing Reshape tool from the toolbar. So now if I am click here, you can see here is a anchor point created. Also you can see I am clicking here. Here is an anchor point created. So if I want to reshape this square, you can see now you able to manage or reshape this tool. All the time you clicks on the path segment, there will be an anchor point created, and you can see you can manage the shapes with the help of this anchor point. So also I am selecting, now I am in the Reshape tool. I am holding down Ctrl and click on the shape. See, then if I am clicking here, here is anchor point created. I am reshaping the tool. You can see it where I am pulling inner side the shape, it has been created an anchor point, and with the help of it is reshaping the polygon. Also, if I am hold on Ctrl from the keyboard and clicking on the circle and hold down, I am in the Reshape tool. I am holding down Alt from the keyboard also, and it will now act as, you can see I am holding down Alt. It will copy the shape once. I hope you got it. So after that you can, I am holding down Ctrl and click here, and then with the Reshape tool I am clicking here, and you can see it is not working. So what I need to do, I need to access direct selection tool and click any of the anchor points within the shape, then accessing Reshape tool, and now I am able to reshape the circle. You can see, so that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.